There are some group of words that we use in English like make a difference, come to an agreement, break a record, take a risk, do the right thing. These groups of words called collocations need to be used correctly in your writing. Let's take a look at a few of these.
In this video, we'll look at some collocations with give. Here are a few collocations that are made with the word give. We'll look at each one of these and see how they're used in a sentence. To give advice means to give ideas that would make something better or easier. The manager gave the new employee some helpful advice concerning the new job. She was known for giving good advice to people. To give credit means to acknowledge that someone has done or said something. The students should be given credit for all of the research they did for the project. Credit should be given to the students who worked on the projects. Notice that we can say should be given credit, or we can say credit should be given to. Give notice. To give notice means to tell somebody something important, as in this sentence. The landlord gave notice to the tenant that if the rent was not paid, they would be evicted. Or, as in this sentence, you must give 2-week notice of your moving out. Give priority means to let someone or something have more importance or special attention. Because of the surge in sales, the company needed to give priority to the new product. More priority should be given to the need for more research. This means that the research needs to be more important in their process. Give rise to means something will cause a certain result. The situation will certainly give rise to more legislation in the future. You could easily have written, the situation will certainly result in more legislation in the future. We could also write, this situation has given rise to the need for more legislation in the future. To give the impression means that something seems to appear in a certain way. The company gave the impression that there was nothing that needed to be changed. He did not want to give the impression that he was not interested. Give thought to is another often used collocation using the word give. He needed to give more thought to the issue before moving forward with the plan. More thought needs to be given to remedy the situation. To give way means to allow something to take its place. Someday soon, gasoline engine cars may need to give way to electric cars. Another way we use this collocation is to allow somebody to move ahead or to let them go first, as in this sentence. In many countries, a driver must give way to pedestrians at a crosswalk. All of these are collocations using the word give, and they're useful in your writing. Try choosing a few and use them in your next writing assignment. Happy writing!
Did you learn any new collocations? I hope you found the video helpful. Try memorizing some of these collocations so that you can use them in your writing correctly.